Welcome to Daily IQ. Today 23rd June 2024. In this video, we will teach you Top 10 Current Affairs MCQ with detailed explanation. Question number 1. International Olympic Day is observed every year on. Answer is 23rd June. The International Olympic Day is observed every year on 23rd June to celebrate sports and health. The theme for International Olympic Day 2024 is Let's Move and Celebrate. The day marks the founding of the International Olympic Committee in 1894 and aims to promote the idea of the Olympics and sports at large. The International Olympic Committee was formed on 23rd June 1894 in Sorbonne, Paris. Question number 2. United Nations Public Service Day is observed every year on. Answer is 23rd June. Every year, the United Nations celebrates Public Service Day on 23rd June to recognize and honor the contributions of all public servants around the world. The theme for UN Public Service Day 2024 is Fostering Innovation Amid Global Challenges, a Public Sector Perspective. On 20th December 2002, the United Nations General Assembly adopted 23rd June as Public Service Day. Question number 3. International Widows Day is observed every year on. Answer is 23rd June. 23rd June is observed as International Widows Day by the United Nations in a bid to create awareness about the situation of widows across many parts of the world. On 21st December 2010, the United Nations General Assembly formally declared 23rd June to be the 6th International Widows Day. The Lumba Foundation has been observing the day since 2005, nevertheless, before it was acknowledged by the United Nations. Question number 4. Which country has become the world's third largest domestic airlines market? Answer is India. India is now the third largest domestic airline market in the world, up from 5th position 10 years ago. India's domestic airline capacity doubling in a decade, from 7.9 million in April 2014 to 15.5 million in April 2024. Currently, the United States and China continue to lead with 86.1 million and 67.8 million capacities, respectively. Question number 5. India's largest deep draft port will be constructed in. Answer is Maharashtra. The Government of India has approved the construction of a new major port at Vadhavan, situated in the Dahanu Taluka of the Palghar district of Maharashtra. This proposed all-weather greenfield Vadhavan port is to be India's largest deep draft port. The total cost of the Vadhavan project is 76,220 crore rupees. For building the Vadhavan port, 1,448 hectares of land will be reclaimed in the sea. Question number 6. Sankara Eye Foundation has inaugurated India's first innovation lab for eye care in. Answer is Tamil Nadu. Sankara Eye Foundation India recently inaugurated India's first of its kind innovation lab for eye care in Coimbatore, Tamil Nadu, on 20th June 2024. Supported by GD Naidu Charities, this pioneering lab aims to revolutionize eye care services across India, even in remote areas. Question number 7. Who was appointed as the chairman of the Indian Institute of Public Administration, IIPA? Answer is Jitendra Singh. Dr. Jitendra Singh, Minister of State in the Ministry of Personnel, Public Grievances and Pensions, has assumed the charge as chairman of the Indian Institute of Public Administration, IIPA, for the third consecutive term at the IIPA campus in New Delhi. He has been serving as chairman of the IIPA since 2020. He is a physician specializing in diabetes and endocrinology. Question number 8. Who has been appointed as the new Secretary General of NATO? Answer is Mark Rutte. Mark Rutte will appoint as the new Secretary General of NATO. He will succeed Jens Stoltenberg. Rutte has been the Prime Minister of Netherlands for 14 years. Rutte will take over NATO's leadership at a critical time. His new job will begin by 2nd October, just over a month before the US election. Question number 9. Who has been selected as the next Vice Chief of Indian Army? Answer is N.S. Raja Subramani. Lieutenant General N.S. Raja Subramani is set to be the next Vice Chief of Army Staff, with the government clearing his appointment to the post. The officer, who is presently helming the Army's Central Command, will succeed Lieutenant General Upendra Dwivedi. Lieutenant General Dwivedi, currently serving as the Vice Chief, will be the next Chief of the Army Staff when incumbent General Manoj Pandey retires on 30th June. Question number 10. Who has become the highest wicket taker in the ICC T20 World Cup? Answer is Mitchell Starc. Australian fast bowler Mitchell Starc has become the highest wicket taker in the ICC Men's Cricket World Cup, ODI, and the Men's T20 World Cup, combined. Mitchell Starc tops the list of bowlers with most wickets in World Cup history, ODI and T20, with a total of 95 wickets, 65 in ODIs and 30 in T20s. He is followed by Lasith Malinga, who took 94 wickets, 56 in ODIs and 38 in T20s. Shakib Al Hasan in third, with 92 wickets. Thanks for watching full video. You can join in our membership plan for daily, weekly and monthly current affairs PDFs. Please contact me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number is 9700200378.